Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to merge two videos in OBS Studio step by step. So now let's get started. Step 1. Open OBS Studio and look at the Scenes panel located at the bottom left of the screen. Click the plus icon to create a new scene, give it any name you like, and click OK, because scenes help organize what you want to record. Step 2. Move to the Sources panel right next to Scenes and click the plus icon. Select Media Source from the list, enter a name, and click OK, since media sources are used to add video files into OBS. Step 3. Click the Browse button, choose your first video file from your computer, and make sure the loop option is unchecked. This is important so the video plays only once. Then click OK to add it. Step 4. Go back to the Sources panel and click the plus icon again. Select Media Source, enter a different name, and click OK, because each video needs its own separate source. Step 5. Click Browse, select your second video file, confirm that loop is unchecked, and click OK. This ensures the second video is ready to play after the first one ends. Step 6. Look at the preview screen in the center of OBS and click on each video. Drag the edges to resize and reposition them so they fit perfectly within the frame. Step 7. In the Sources panel, click the eye icon next to the second video to hide it. This keeps only the first video visible and helps control which video appears during recording. Step 8. Go to the Controls panel on the right side and click Start Recording. This tells OBS to begin capturing everything happening on the screen. Step 9. Play the first video and watch it carefully. When it finishes, click the eye icon to hide the first video and click the eye icon to show the second video, creating a smooth merge. Step 10. After the second video finishes playing, go back to the Controls panel and click Stop Recording. Your merged video will be saved automatically to your OBS recording folder. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.